Open the menu and tap Printer to access the printer settings page. Pick a connection type. We recommend USB for thermal printers. It auto-reconnects after a power cycle. Bluetooth works wirelessly, but you'll need to repair it anytime the printer is turned off and back on. Browser is the fallback when neither USB nor Bluetooth works. Tap Pair Printer. The browser opens a dialog listing nearby printers. Tap your printer in the list, then tap Pair. The status card on the left updates with a green dot once it's connected. Set the paper width to match your thermal printer. 80 mm is standard, 58 is for compact printers. Turn on Auto Print so a receipt prints automatically after every successful charge. If you have a cash drawer, plug its RJ11 cable into the cash drawer port on the back of your thermal printer. Without that cable, the cash drawer toggles below won't do anything. Configure when the drawer opens, on charge or on cash events like Shift Open, Shift Close, Pay In, and Pay Out. Tap Save Settings to persist the configuration to this device. Each POS device can have its own printer settings. Your printer is ready. Next, watch Creating Your First Order to walk through ringing up a customer from start to receipt.